Hi there, my name's John Cornwall and I'm from the Department of Anatomy at the University of Otago in Dunedin, New Zealand. I've recently developed a technique for mounting and removing scalpel blades from scalpel handles. This is called the hands together method of scalpel blade mounting and removal. Today I'm going to provide you with a demonstration of this technique. For this technique we'll need a set of forceps, a scalpel blade, and a scalpel handle. And note on the scalpel handle there's a mitre, and we'll be matching that mitre with the mitre on the scalpel blade. We have the scalpel blade and we'll be removing half the packaging from the scalpel blade. Note then that you can see there's a mitre on the end of the scalpel blade, and this is important because we match this with the corresponding mitre on the scalpel handle. Firstly, we want to hold the scalpel blade safely, so we take the forceps and grasp the scalpel blade, and then we pick up our scalpel handle and we want to partially engage the blade on the handle. Now we move to the hands together part of the technique. Before this though, we want to hold the forceps in this way, and then we bring our hands together. Note you'll be using the prongs of the forceps to engage with the blade and drag the blade onto the handle. The hands are together, the tip of the forceps are engaged with the blade, we drag in this direction to engage the blade. Then we can safely remove our wrapper by taking it off with the forceps. To take the blade off, we want our hands together, but we want to lift the edge of the blade. So we use the prongs to slide the blade forward gently. With our hands still together, we can insert the prongs of the forceps into the fenestration of the blade and safely pull the blade off the scalpel handle. Here we have a close-up of a scalpel blade that has been half mounted on the handle. We insert the prong of the forceps and fully engage the blade on the handle. We can then use our forceps to remove the wrapping of the scalpel blade. To remove the blade, slip the prongs of the forceps under the blade and slide it gently forward. With your hands still together, put the prongs of the forceps into the fenestration on the blade and safely remove it.